Hi there, I'm Nick, and I like to build stuff. Okay, and on today's vlog, basically what I'm going to be doing is I want to put in a French cleat system on this wall, or I say a French cleat system, just a French cleat across the wall. That way when I make something like the Deadpool pixel art, I'll be able to hang it up on the wall and I'll be able to take old stuff down like the Jason mask and things like that and just basically be able to swap that stuff out. But first, I have to rearrange everything in the shop because we're going to take this shelving unit right here and move it over there and kind of move this stuff down. That saw is going to come over here and things like that. And then what we're going to do is we'll cut our cleat and put it up there and kind of determine where we want it. This space over here is going to have like a bookshelf, like a shelving system on it. And then for now, I think I'm going to just maintain this bench, but eventually what I'm going to do is put like a longer or maybe just like one full bench in here. Today's going to be fun because I already took all this stuff. I already took all that stuff off the shelf over there before I pulled it down, so now I have to find a home for this so I can move this unit. Okay guys, just want to jump in here real quick. I was editing this video and I realized that I didn't actually get the footage of cutting the French cleat. And then after I realized I didn't get that footage, I realized that some of you guys that are new to woodworking may not know what a French cleat is. So basically you take a piece of wood, in this case I used plywood, and you cut it at a 45-degree angle. So you have one side that has the pointy going that way and one side that has the pointy going that way. You put this one against the wall so the wall is here. And this one is going to come in and slide into it. And it'll just hold it against the wall like that. I realize that that's kind of out of context and that might not make sense. So so I have a really crude example here of a French cleat. No expense was spared to make this example for you. Okay, so let's say this piece of plywood is our wall. I've already attached the French cleat. See how the point drops backwards. And then here is our fancy wall art. And you're gonna see that this just seats right back there and locks it in. If this piece is long and you don't want it to shift back and forth, you can always put it like another piece. It doesn't even have to have the 45 on it across the bottom, so it just kind of holds it in place. But this is the French cleat. And then that's not going anywhere. See? Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, French cleat system, like my eyebrows, on fleek. Until next time.